Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today I just want to share with you the new rocket stove Alsace. We've made some improvements to it and I'd just like to show you what we've done. Maybe quick I can show you. We added a little ash tray that goes at the bottom, and this little protection plate to protect your bottom from not burning through. This is 3mm galvanized steel, so it will protect the base there, so it won't burn through at any time. You only replace this little unit because it will disintegrate. All the embers and hot coals are laying on top of this fire. So yes, this takes the brunt of the heat, so you only replace this little unit and your rocket stove will be pretty good for as long as you look after it, it will look after you. Right, so let's start the assembly. Right, so the legs are still the same. Slots into one another like that. So you have the base unit and you have your top unit. Right, get to that now. Right, if you look at this part, let's start with this little 4 slots. Goes to the bottom there. Right, so that's connected. And this just slots in there. We mostly provide this pre-assembled. You don't need to worry too much about the assembly. That's just if you ever want to play with it yourself. And the little top plate for the chute. You just got some position there. Okay, zip. Right, these big bolts goes in the front. That's the unit we've got there. Yeah, so this is basically to add some airflow. So it's warmed up air that mixes with the embers inside, and so you got a very good combustion and very little smoke coming out the top because your preheated air is extremely important. Right, now the big advantage and the upgrade, you can probably say this is like the first version. You start this into the cavity there, the feet. Just put it down like this. It's over. Then you use your longer end 5 bolts. You see this is pre-tapped, you don't need the nut on the inside. Right through. So just like that. Try to squeeze in this little baby. Just touch on the bottom there. Okay, really simple. So your ashes, as it fills up, sometimes in the middle of a burning, sometimes just need to give it some air again, take it out, you just drop your ashes out, and start right back. Right, and then we put it on the top. Okay, which is good to go. Big advantage is the carry angle that we added to this build.